Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Air. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter password and security. Go to lock screen password, unlock it. And as you can see right here, we've got three types of passwords: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the tab. Firstly, you can enter 6-digit, 4 digits and 4 to 16 digits password. Let's stick with the 6-digit because they are basically the same, but with different length. Now, let's enter your password to unlock the tab. Next, let's go to alphanumeric. Enter 4 to 16 letters and digits. In the end, let's go to pattern, and to create pattern you have to connect at least 4 dots. You can also turn off the password. Now let's go back and go to face. Agree. And now simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the tab. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.